Porcelain veneers look fake. What? How many times have you heard this? At least I have. Now, some patients are hesitant to get dental veneers because they fear their smile will look unnatural and fake. Oftentimes, we see pictures all over social media of smiles that don't even look real. They are too wide, squared, and just unnatural looking. I want you to please keep in mind that some of these pictures are not even real either. Some are Photoshop. Yes, they can Photoshop teeth as well. Now, getting an excellent treatment outcome will depend on several factors. Number one, make sure you choose the right cosmetic dentist to do your work. Now, this is crucial because a skilled and experienced dentist will know how to create porcelain veneers that will look natural and, most importantly, suit your individual smile. Every face is different, every smile has to be different. Second is case selection. Not every case is suitable for veneers, and a good dentist will assess if you are the right candidate and also how many veneers you need to achieve that best outcome. Third is the veneer material. There are a lot of materials out there that can be used for veneers, and the type of material used for your veneers can greatly affect the final appearance. Now, high quality materials mimic the natural translucency of teeth. Fourth, it's one of the most important ones, and it's the dental lab your dentist uses. It has to be a good quality lab for the craftsmanship of the dental lab. That's gonna play a significant role in how natural your veneers will look. And lastly, it's the color. We don't want fake white now. Matching the color of your veneers to your natural teeth is essential for a seamless look. Now, in conclusion, when done correctly by a skilled professional, veneers can look very natural and beautiful. So don't let the fear of fake-looking smile hold you back. Do your research, choose the right dentist, and achieve that smile you've always wanted. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to contact us or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you.